Good morning, 7th graders, and welcome to Art 7. For those that I had the pleasure of teaching in 6th grade, welcome back. And for those who are new to Lamberton School, welcome. I hope you guys find this class to be a lot of fun. You guys will be able to create a lot of fun projects and explore your creativity through the next couple of weeks. This video will discuss your task list for today. Today's going to be a very easy day, although it is an important day, as we're going to learn how to navigate the course so you know what to expect, where to submit things, and really how to get the best grade possible, because I want only the best grades for all of you in class. I've designed my course for your success, so please make sure you pay attention today and for all the days to come, just to make sure you have all the information you need to get the best grade. So your learning goal for today, as I've already stated, is to understand the class rules, grading procedures, and course navigation within Schoology. Although many of you are already familiar with Schoology from a prior year or even having prior classes, my class does run a little differently than some, I'm sure. So we want to make sure you understand how to do everything that's needed based on this course's framework in Schoology. So your task list is, first we're just going to watch the class syllabus video. This is going to be a video of myself just navigating you through Schoology, showing you all the assignments, and also going over the daily expectations and the grading procedures for each assignment. Once you've watched that video, you'll understand the class rules, grading procedures, and navigation. So what you'll do is for the second step, you'll go to the class syllabus agreement. And after you've watched the video, just respond to the class syllabus agreement and just say that I've watched the video and I understand how to complete the assignments, or you can even just write the words I agree. Just type something in that discussion just to state you watched the video and you understand how the class operates. And then lastly, we're actually going to create some art today. Your first project is going to be called My First Drawing. It's a very small introductory, just more of an activity than a project. You are, without any teacher instruction, going to create a drawing of your favorite subject. So it can be a person, it can be a cartoon, it can be something from nature, it can be an animal, really anything you want as long as it's appropriate for school. And you'll submit a photo of your drawing to the student progress discussion. This will give me an idea of your artistic strengths moving forward. It's also, like I said, just an easy introductory activity. I really just want you guys to have fun with it. With that said, please make sure you don't color your drawing today. You're just doing a line drawing. And then in the next class is where you're going to color your project and submit a color version of that. So today you're just doing a line drawing of something that you would find fun to draw. And then next class you will do a color version. We won't start our very first unit until the third day of class, which will be the 1-point perspective project. But I should be discussing that in just a little bit in the class syllabus video. All right, so you guys have all the information you need to do your projects. You even have the course materials for today, just a piece of sketch paper, a pencil, and eraser. Remember, no colors required. Just watch the video, complete the class agreement, and complete your first drawing and submit it. But you'll need to watch the class syllabus video to know how and where to submit everything. All right, guys, I will see you all shortly in the class syllabus video. And please message me if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you all soon. All right, bye.